Book of Heaven, Volume 12, July 16, 1918. One who wants to do good to all must live in the will of God. This morning my sweet Jesus came and told me,
"My daughter, do not remain in yourself, in your will, but enter into me and into my will. I am immense, and only one who is immense can multiply acts for as many as he wants. One who is up high can give light to the bottom. Don't you see the sun? Because it is up high, it is light of every eye. Even more, each man can have the sun at his disposal, as if it were all his own. On the other hand, the plants, the trees, the rivers, the seas, which are down below, are not at everyone's disposal. One cannot say of them as of the sun, 'If I want, I make it all mine, even though others can enjoy it.' However, all the low things receive the benefit of the sun, some the light, some the heat, the fecundity, the color. Now I am the eternal light. I am at the highest point, and as much higher as I am, so much more do I find myself everywhere and deeper down, and therefore I am life of all, and as if I were only for each one. So, if you want to do good to all, enter into my immensity, live up high, detached from everything, and also from yourself. Otherwise there will be earth around you, and then you could be a plant, a tree, but never a sun. And instead of giving, you have to receive, and the good you will do will be so limited that it could be numbered.